was my mixing bowl for eggs now smell like it too. In the couch, it's on the rug, it's in my hair. And where's all my Tupperware? If it's lost, you can look and you will find it. With slime after slime, and our home is now like a meth lab for kids. Slime after slime, and if you take her glue, she will have a fit. Slime after slime, and all day they are watching the YouTube bits of slime after slime. If it gets on your hands, my gosh, it's so sticky. She is a